dollar index monthly time frame, this last wave from top to bottom has made 50% retracement, and it is doing same as expected, going up from 50% retracement level. And this is your next big horizontal resistance zone. If that resistance zone breaks, then it can make a long term upside correction, but dollar trend is still bearish from this top, and downside support first will be 61% retracement, then this lower trend line. And when this correction ends, we will have to wait for at least March FOMC meeting. And if we see weekly time frame, price is doing up and down between fib retracement level and horizontal resistance. If this horizontal resistance does not break in upcoming week, especially this week on CPI news, then new lower low will hit 98 level. Or if it break this weekly resistance zone, that means candle closing outside this resistance level after CPI news, because higher CPI number means higher terminal rate, means much higher dollar. But right now this 101 50% retracement level is your first key support level. And if we see daily time frame, this was your monthly and weekly fib retracement level, and this 104 is your next big resistance, and this can be your possible head and shoulder chart pattern, because on CPI it can do up and down, but main thing is PCE inflation rate, that will decide ultimately what will be terminal rate in March FOMC meeting, because in December Fed sit 5.1, and now everyone is waiting what will be new terminal rate. But these two levels are your key support and resistance. And if you see H4 time frame, then price made a perfect parallel channel, tested both upper and lower trend line two times, but now price is trading outside this channel, and wave count for this price action before the upside breakout was already available in Telegram channel. And on H4 our first big resistance is 105, that is your nearest resistance zone. This is your first horizontal resistance, but correction can go up to 50 or 38% retracement, but you should be ready for 50% retracement level, but that is only possible CPI goes up, then after that PCE number goes up again. But I am still expecting that March FOMC meeting is your rate pause. Either Fed officially announce or they do their last hike in March. Then in September FOMC meeting your rate cut. And that rate cuts mean bearish dollar. And since dollar is a reserve currency, when real panic will start, that will be in fourth quarter, then dollar can go up. That's mean dollar up, that's mean everything else going down in market crash. but for that we have to wait for fourth quarter. So this 105 is very big resistance. Then next 107. And if we see Euro USD daily time frame, which is nothing but inverted chart of dollar index, and if this level breaks on CPI news, then your next horizontal support will be 1.03488, and this is your strong horizontal support. If price hit that level, show some rejection, then you can buy and targeting current price level. But dollar this big entirely depend on CPI number. If this is your support, then 1.1186 is your next resistance, because price is reversing from 50% retracement of this complete bearish trend top to bottom. Next time it will target at least 61% retracement. USD JPY daily time frame. This was your top, which was made when FOMC member were saying that there is a risk for over tightening. Since then it is collapsing, and now Fed in his last FOMC meeting has said if inflation keep dropping, that's mean PCE number, not the CPI. If PCE come down, that's mean lower terminal rate, and he also said that rate cut can happen this year. That's mean in 2023. That is bearish for dollar. And new governor from Bank of Japan wait for April when he announced his first monetary policy. Before that, this is same government when they were selling dollar right at the top and they were lying, and now they are saying yes, they sold dollar at top. And if Fed start his rate cut in fourth quarter and Bank of Japan do rate hike, then after some retracement this pair will drop again, and that will be vertical price action. Till then it is sideways correction chart pattern, but for that we have to wait till March or April. But second quarter will be speculation for recession in US, and third quarter will be panic. And if you see H4 time frame, then this Peller channel has breakout. First it made this fake chart pattern, but before NFP gave clear warning in Telegram to take profit, and now it is going up and it is outside the channel. So this yellow line is your big horizontal resistance zone, and if it retests this horizontal resistance once again, then you can sell. And GBPUSD daily time frame, first it bent up, made double top, came down, and now it is making same double top pattern like last time, and there is no stop before this support level near 1.19. If it hold that support level after CPI news, then that can be AVC flat correction and you can buy, or if it drops on CPI news, then wait for rejection on this retracement level. These two retracement are your buy zone. because if dollar breaks on rate cut that will start in September FOMC meeting, next time it will break this resistance zone and it will make new high up to 61% retracement level of this bearish trend. Because price action of these currency completely depends on US dollar. Back to DXY H4 time frame. This is your key horizontal resistance 105. Below this level dollar is bearish and there will be no clear trend in dollar until everyone gets summary of economic projection in March FOMC meeting. Till then it can stay sideways.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one